the more you learn about the biographies of your teachers, who are their teachers, where they got their ijazas from, the more you connect yourself, and the branches of this tree become so vast. It shows the solidarity of the Muslim Ummah. And it shows that Ahlul Sunnah are one unit and one body. No one can creep in this Isnad. All of these scholars are great, one by one. For example, the famous commentary of Ibn Hajar al-Haytami. Ibn Hajar al-Haytami has a famous commentary on Arba'in Nawawiyya. You check his Isnad, we'll come to see his Isnad. One of his students is Mullah Ali al-Qari, for example. And we're going to see that the 40 hadiths on the virtues of Al-Quran al-Kareem, this book, is by Mullah Ali al-Qari. I narrate from al-Sayyid Muhammad al-Makki al-Kattani. He narrated from الشيخ فالح بن محمد الظاهري. قال الإمام الشيخ عبد الحي الكتاني وهو أعظم من لقيناه بالمشرق رتبة. He died 1328. السيد مكي الكتاني met him and took his إجازة and heard حديث الرحمة, مصافحة, مشابكة, few other hadiths from him and took his إجازة. He narrates from السيد محمد ibn Ali al-Sanusi of Jugubub in Libya, a famous great scholar of hadith, mujtahid. He authored several books. He narrates from Al-Imam Abu Talib, Muhammad ibn Ali ibn al-Sharif al-Mazuni in Mazuna. Mazuna is a town in south of Algeria, known for the scholars of the Maliki fiqh. And this scholar Abu Talib, Muhammad ibn Ali ibn al-Sharif, aged for long and traveled to Hajj. He met a woman scholar called Quraysh bint Abd al-Qadir al-Tabari, Quraysh al-Tabariya known. She lived long and she was descendant of a scholarly family. This is probably the most famous scholarly family in the Islamic world is a Tabari family, because for 800 years knowledge continued to be in their families. We have scholarly families in the Islamic world which maintained knowledge from father to son, father to son, father to son. Some of them known for 200 years, some for 300 years, some for 500 years. Some families maintain knowledge for 800 years. So Quraysh al-Tabariya narrates from her father Abdul Qadir al-Tabari. He narrates from Mullah Ali al-Qari, the 40 hadith. He narrates from Ibn Hajar al-Haytami, his commentary on Arba'in al-Nawawiyya. And so on. You study more, you get to know more of the isnads, of the books of hadith. For every book, we have a chain.